man, I don't know how to do modeling and texturing and lighting. I'm so bad, my renders look sucks. What should I do?
Hey, did you say that you are paid in modeling and texturing and lighting and
Yeah.
you say that? Okay, I can help you. I'm here after a little bit of time, and I have something for you. You're gonna love it.
What are you talking about? Who are you? I don't know you. It's giving me a little bit. Uh, Still.
No, I'm astonished, and I have something for you. It's called video, a tutorial video. Mike, I said turn on the music. Yep, just go and turn on the music. Oh, yep. Thank you.
So,
What?
yeah, I'm talking. It's Astonish, and today we're gonna learn how surface modeling. And something modeling in Blender, not using any outdated software like any other plastic. Shit.
Okay, so yeah, not anything. Just only Blender.
Just something modeling and creating this nice little cooker, rice cooker sci-fi in Blender. Not only that, texturing and lighting also, and my secret tips about it. And those people also voted on the topic, what should I make next? I also mentioned these topics also in the video, so yeah. All those top underrated modifiers you should know are in this video. Many people don't know about them. Me too. I just recently understand them. So, if I were you, I shouldn't skip the video because this is a jack of all trades video. You will learn everything in this video, and I will explain everything really nicely that you will not forget entire your life. You will even forget your name, but not this video, okay? So stick with it, and I'm gonna promise you will be happy in the end. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Mike, just slow down the music.
So let's say the camera. Go in the camera. If you don't know, just do it manually. Let's go in. I click on icon. Just let me drink some water. I love some water. So yeah, I give you now today. I gonna give you some bunch of tricks. So keep that in mind. It's also considered the realistic renders I do. Usually they are not much realistic, but still they are better. So let's get started. It's better without music, man. Literally. So the background, I prefer always the black, half black. If you go like that, and let me just do this, select like that, and just intersect. It's intersecting, so we have no problem. Now you might say that okay, if some reason your model is so high detail and really like making your stuff laggy and shit, so how can you like just let me hide this and select this and put in the YYT, just giving a random name, so and put a decals also inside of it and alt edge. So how can you like still use that model without like in affecting the performance? So let's come to the video. What you can do, you can create instance, and I'm going to remove this for now because I don't think so it's really neat for now. So yeah, and just drag it up like that. So how can you create instance? You select the object or whatever you want, or just go to objects. There is a section instance or linked data scenes or maybe instance. Yeah, link collection instance or whatever. No, it's not like that. It is instance. Let me see. Instance. Oh man, I forgot link data. Scenes, link collections, link data object, link instance collections. No, instance are here and there. I'm unable to see them. Yeah. Am I getting blind? Assets. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's shitty. I forgot everything. Okay, yeah. Add and the collection instance. So what you can do, I already created a YYT. I want YYT, and there you go. Now this is YYT, and now we want to just like give you some random look, whatever. I'm going to use cycles. Not gonna ask this why I'm not using Eevee. You can use. I won't make a separate video. It's easy to make good results in cycles. Yeah, you can get results good in Eevee. Yeah, so the half video part will be telling about the cycles. But this one, product renders, I will not recommend using Eevee at all because you don't get too much nice results. So for this one, it looks so bad now. Yeah, well, you might think I was going to say it looks so good. No, it's not right now. Yeah, just drag like that and scale the light like this. This is a usual trick which people use to make the lighting good. Yeah, nothing fancy. You don't need like a chef detail, whatever people think, but it's not in that way. Just go into my shader editor and make the background totally like that and like this. And I can add a gradient texture, snap it there, color ramp, snap it there, and I might see, and control T like this, and rotation should be on this axis 90, and the location should be like this. Yep. And I should say B-spline like this, and if you like do this, yeah, roughness. See, first of all, we will create the backlight, whatever, which looks really nice, and we want to link it. So as we know, what we can do, go there in the properties here, and the linking, where is it? I forgot. My memory is going really bad these days. I don't know why. We were past and filter. Okay, this made by Debbie. Oh my god. Gravity, audio, rig body. Maybe there. No, it's not there. Where's the shit like linking option now? I forgot about that. Wait there. No, you don't make laughing on me. I forgot. I know it sucks. It sucks as hell. More gravity simulations, key sets, audio, rigid body. Oh. Okay, I'm done. It's so annoying. My memory is going bad. Maybe I'm forgetting something, and that's the reason it's not showing, like line linking. Oh, there we go. Okay, this motherfucker. Okay, no, sorry. This and go into shading, light, group. We don't like linking, and just like this, and just drag this object. So yeah, let's just only just create this one. And now we need to create another line and just fill the background. Well, this line looks good. If I can 100,000 whatever. Shadows, and I think 11500 is fine. Just make a little dark. Yes, see. And now let's use nodes and Control T, and let this comes our trick. Now ICO, not your ICOs, but my one. I have this folder name. I know it's a name, weird name, but it's this spreading like 0, and this and this. Select both. This. See what it does. You don't need to understand. Okay. And okay, I think I need to delete the stickers because I was just for the sake of the tutorial. We don't need them. And I delete their instances, automatically deleted this thing. So yeah, pretty thing. And I can like do some extra stuff and like make like this, or it just opens and blah blah blah, but I'm not going to do this. You can do, and I hope you can model this simple model. And if you don't, just spend some time. Don't worry, you will do that. It just takes some time, but not much time. And at the end, you will end up making really nice thing, more better than me. So don't give up, and just keep working. That's something is the key point of the anything and tutorial of mine. Because at the end, everyone starts from zero. No one's just like born with any skill. So it's a stupid thing if you think that way. So we did everything. Lighting looks fine and everything looks good. I just make it turn like that, or like it this way. And let's add an HDR. Make sure you add a plain HDR. I have some save HDRs like this. These off lights, like the lights have no that much reflection. I love this one. This is good for this one. Original. It's downloading. Once it's get download, I did something stupid at this one. Why it's calling about the orange? Okay, it's maybe downloading the 4K. That shit. That's not happened before. Why it's happening now? Oh, cause I'm recording? That's really good. No, I don't want to do. There is no second option. What happened to Blender Kit? I need to complain them. Anyways, just add a bunch of fog in the model. That's just extra option. You can use like a mist option, but I will suggest this because it's real time. But if you have a shitty computer, so that's just you can just use the mist option. It also works well, and I think that one works more better than that one. So density, just a tiny bit, and just give a ray. And now it comes to compositing section, and yeah, I think what happened. Yeah, I just now let's add a lens distortion. Lens distortion is crucial. Make it really less so no one's gonna notice that thing. Fit jitter. And yeah, 0.02. And maybe 3. And maybe 2. So the next thing is brightness contrast. And that's the second is clear node. I love this one. And fog glow. Let's do this. I love the fog, like see, you can't get it manually. So now this something is called filters. This one, like, make it 2D effect. I love it. I'm gonna use this. It's a product, right? Obviously, no one's gonna use this thing. Maybe I but not the client. Okay, now hue saturation. Now you might change the colors, whatever you want, whatever you like. I'm gonna use this model on. So you see like how good it's looking right now? And we are just downloading right now the background. Yeah, just a little bit. And let me show you. This is without, this is with the compositing. Yeah, it might look some noisy right now, but and now the question is how much samples you need. You need samples, I think 32 is enough. 32 is enough. Noising on so you can see that clearly. You just need to go there, just like color management, use curves. And now let me show you what I'm going to do now. Let's play with them. Don't overdo anything. Just yeah. Maybe I will spend time later and make it more better. I can add some wires in it. This will be a nice thing. So let's do this. Yeah, like add some on the back side. Yeah, and what ups? Yep. Mm, which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? All of them looks good. Insert. Yeah, bevel them. Just like this. Grab a rotate C90. Also delete this. Another problem is just like this. No, no, no. Now I'm going to use carbon basher if you don't have it, so you can just like skip this option. But I'm going to use it. You just like use manual curve. I'm just using a curve basher. It's more fast and intuitive, whatever. Or this, like this, just like this, and just like that and that. Now there's a bunch of options for me. It's a sci-fi one, so yeah. So it makes sense to add some wires on it. If I two, this makes sense. Go in this material preview. Sorry. If I just like search for rubber, I found it. Oh yeah. Let's not looking at anything. Oh yeah, sorry. Let me see which looks good. A bunch of them. So this looks good. Snap it. No more materials now. Now this have D, so D. T, D, and might just D, D, and D. Oh fuck! That looks so sick. Okay, that looks good now. And yep, that looks good. I think, oh my god, that's an accent, but that looks really nice and really nice. I like it. I love it. And we're gonna use this thing. Select this and just mirror on the other side. And that looks so nice. And I might think why it's not like kit bashing. It actually it's in YYT and YYT inserted like that. And now it's on the other side also. Might take some time, but just to load. Just a minute. And make sure to save everything. Otherwise, everything will be ruined. And not gonna lie, it's happened with me. And you see, when it's happening like that, don't touch it. Otherwise, you get fucked up. File will be crashed. You will not get the last save. And even if you get it, it will be really backside. So don't do that. Never, never touch when happening this. I'm everything doing in real time. So yeah, I just recently just like my motherboard model went like more than 20 crashes because of my lack of information about the plasticity. How this works. Random experiments get failed and end up crashing very badly. That even not even like okay, just save. So just remind me to save it. I'm just saving right now. See, and if I didn't save that thing, so my type would lose it. So I'm just saving. I don't know why it's taking too much time. And also make sure that don't play with the materials too much. If you like download too much materials, just make sure if your computer is lagging and you don't understand how that the model is so simple. So just like copy the model and just snap in the new one, and make sure that you have like the materials. And some materials are too much like useless heavy, even they're not making too much difference, but still they are heavy. And that kind of materials shouldn't be like there. So this model is ready and to go, roll. I need to add some more things to do. I can add some lights in there. Because it looks good if we do that. And this is a new one. Just like that. Project it. Other side. Private T. C. Private T. So there we go. We got it. Just a little tiny message here. What we can give it hot. This message is like hot surface. Violet T. So if we just go there, you can see there's a bunch of things. Looks so lovely, doubly. What we can do now is do a pretty nice render. Yes, give us some space. Like that. Or whatever you want. I give it a really nice. Okay, now my mind is saying to give them something what we say. J edit. A cloth rather than this. Tube. I don't know why, but it's just my thoughts. So as you know, I'm gonna do that. Now you might think how I do that. So let's see. Just a simple one. Whatever, select this. I make it tiny, kind of thinner, and just make it mesh. Convert it to mesh, and add some geometry to sub the surface. Apply it, and go there. And now we are going to sculpting mode. Scroll down if you never heard touch this before. So just like this cloth, and I'm going to switch to this one, and that's just like panning it and just like making the surface mesh. Don't overdo this because we don't want to lose the frame. We just want to give it look. It's a wire. See, not overdo this. Yeah, and make sure you have a geometry. Otherwise, it's not work. It's like it works on a real geometry. So if you don't have too much geometry, so it will not work no matter how much you just move. So keep that in mind, and don't overdo this. Just add like subdivision modifier, make it level 2, and apply that thing. If you don't apply it, so it might take some time and also give a little bit lag. Almost maybe not will work even. So let me see. So if you apply this, we still have like carve wheel, compositing. Just make it thin. Okay, that's something. And yeah, there you go. So that works. And this looks more better. And I'm going to add some more resolution on it. Apply. You can see that it just lose some space. Just manually select it. Sorry. And I'm also going to again do some sculpting on it. Like that. See, it's because more geometry, more realistic. It will look more realistic, like more. What we say. Don't overdo this, and like we don't want too much weird shit going on. Yeah, I like that. It's not too much good. I have mouse design, but managed Blender tutorial, so and also don't use too much. This is my usually modeling. Don't need that thing, but now these days I'm using. It's like my models not by Y clothes, but usually I just being lazy and just snap it into Blender and do it like this. It's way faster for me. Maybe once I start using mouse designer, I forgot Blender. Can't say anything. Anything's happened just like Substance Painter. Give me a taste of texturing. Maybe mouse designer give me a taste of clothing. So you might see this. And there you go. That looks not good. And after the renders. So today we learned a lot of stuff. And this is one part. Just save this thing. And let me do a quick render. Make sure if you don't have a good PC or no matter what, just turn it off and go into side view. Save before doing render. And let's do the render. And let me change the resolution to 4K. like that. Oh shit, what happened? Oh yeah, that's the world. Uh, that's fine also. Let's give me a sec. It just HDR. Thanks God we see that. Otherwise, our indices went trash. So we don't want too much power, just 0.001 or 0.003. Okay, that's fine. And I don't know what happened, but actually this is a 4K. Or maybe perspective. Yeah, and 4K DLC. Yeah, that one. I love this one. There we go. Now let's do a Bomby render. Yeah, it's a total save. Like that. And then we do another render. Hello. Mic is working. So I'm come back after render and after doing Photoshop effects because it's something is I don't want to waste your time. I already like to take 1 hour. So this is like the after the Photoshop, and this is like before. You can see the difference. I just did a couple of them. So just like add a text, my name, and like some noise effect, and like some like color correction, like a little bit, make it brighter. So because some screens don't see that thing. So that this is the one, and let's do second thing. The second thing about is the realistic one. So let's make it scale 0. We don't want it. So let's go and scale the preview mode. No, that's so nice one. I like it. Yeah, so switch to this option. No, we have two options right now. One, we can use the background. Okay, now we're gonna use the background. Just make this whole set. YYG, hide the YYG, hide this. No, the fog. Call it fog. Go on and just click this in this. So don't just mess with us. Make it to. Okay, and just hide this thing. And let's add a sphere or whatever. I think the spheres works fine. That's the reason I'm asking the first sphere. And let's add a sphere. And make the brightness of 1. Oh, it's a bit brighter, so that's because I'm using compositing. Select the name, like this, and double select and Control C, copy this, go in and modify edit mode, object mode, and just add an image. Maybe it's fast for you. And also Control V, that same name, so you can just get the same image, and there we go. Now you see. Now Control G to add like a. And I want you to do. And I want you to. It's totally straight, which is lucky. You can get the same one. Scale 0 and just grab Z, grab, if you select it, grab C, and yeah, there you go. Oh shit. Grab C. Like that. There we go. Now we have a whole mesh. Now you say, oh, that looks good. But no, that's not enough. Still need to do a lot of stuff. You can stop there, but I can also do that, stop there. But for the quality, Okay, 0. Flat to sphere. Now the quality works more better. See this? Now if even we zoom in, it still looks good. Now let's on this flow. I don't want this flow anymore. Decal. This one. Just going to, I don't know. That one. We don't need, oh, select the background. This. Now if we go in Eevee so we can see more better. And we don't need lighting setups now anymore, because we have no realistic lighting already. So it just goes in, I don't know. Don't worry about the looks. This will be better. And I think so. Just like this. UV and sphere then flat and 0. Now what we need to do now, where's the camera? Camera. It's like this, camera. And on the depth of field, we didn't do this before, but we are doing now. And let's see. We can just like make it blur the background. Well, if you're too much free, so you can like do it very nicely. I'm going to add some geometry downside. A little bit more, a little bit more. And now I'm going to do some sculpting. Add some, what we say, give a little bit look. Now come out from Animus so you can see. So this is like how I do my models. Like it looks realistic. That how I next I need to know now. Cycles more better. Now see. Well, there's no scratches and anything, so that's when maybe you think, oh, it's not looking real. But yep. Let's do some color correction because this is a different setup, so the compositing sector will be different. So the background, I do that. Oh yeah, there's an option. So perspective to panorama, lens, change it. There's a bunch of ranges. Mirror ball, fish. I think this one is fine. Visual lens, that one. See, this looks real. We want this look, but now I want this too, and this to be one. Let's do some color correction because obviously this time the color is different. Llama, colder, and cinematic. So you can see it looks so. I can add a human. Let's search for human. What happened? Let's go slow. Uh, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No. Camera. Cameraman. PNG. There we go. So what we just do? Just select an image, whatever you want. Save image. Go there. Shift image as thing. Yeah, so just make it bigger. Rotate it like that. And need to snap it on the back side of the camera. Go into shade editor. Select the color ramp. Select alpha to alpha. Make it black. The alpha. Flip it. Make it black. Yeah, maybe it looks weird for you. And yeah, there we go. Good to go. And now what if you can do? Like this. I can have like a light on the back side. Never say. Yeah, usually you see people doing that. So it's not something really fancy. Like 1000 doing like that. Projecting to the lower part. I don't think so. Just a movement. You can see the reflection. So I don't want to see show the back the downer part, or I can add like a bump displacement or noise, whatever. But I don't want to do that. So just like this. So you can see like it looks real. And I will come back after the render. Okay, so yep, I'll come back. Now the next we did, I just did a little bit Photoshop, like adding some snow effect on the picture, like this is before and this is after, and then this is. Let me show you the difference so you can see easily. So this is like a render, raw render, without any effect. So And this is like Photoshop effects. I did some, like you can see easily, some snow. So it looks like, yeah, it's a snowy place. Obviously, it makes sense that its camera will be catch some snow effects. And some like a blur area. I did color grading. Obviously, it looks more but better. And with this and without this. So yeah, you can see like overall. And the thing is, the color grading really matters. So even you are a beginner or whatever, even you don't know how to do better, but just try color grading. It just takes some tutorials. It's not that much complicated. It's just really fine, easy to do, and it's not too much. Takes too much time, like say 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it. If you do too much, like really nicely, like you can see, like if I go on my Google, I just search some PNGs and make sure they are black, so you can easily like place them. So you can see it looks good. So I can just snap it on my background, but I already have a good wallpaper. So see how it's looking good. And even though it's not catching the reflections, I don't care about it because right now I'm not watching from this angle. If I'm watching from this angle, so maybe that's a problem. And let me see if it's a problem. Yeah, that's a problem because it's not catching any shadow. Yeah, there is some shadow catcher and you can create, but yeah, you will find many ways to just like get rid from that problem. So whatever, like you can just like make the behind it like that, so it's all cinematic. You can do a lot of stuff with this. So this is a second trick I use to make my renders realistic, and there's specific SGRs actually. Look at this, like there's a lot of space empty, and it sounds like it's fitting really nicely. So you can add a principal BSD. Yeah, what it does, it will create a dark area. So like you can add emission, but still I'm not satisfied with that thing. So I want to recommend that thing. If I did this, like in 1, see, 0 0.01. Yeah, so like that, maybe 2, or maybe 5. Catching the data, but not that much. Overall, yeah, you can do that if you want, but still it's catching the data. So, and also it's a soft light, so no one cares about it. So this is the tips and tricks. We learn how to model. We learn how to create realistic renders. We learn how to do product renders, like in the plane, the simple renders. Now the last one is very simple, and I don't think so even I need to tell you. So just like snap this one in the background, and what we need to do now is just go and make it transparent to the film. This video covers everything now. And let me see how much we things have. So it's fine. Yeah, there's a background. I think something is, if I hide this, I don't think so. What you don't need it. Just like do a render like this, empty, give us some like trust and give an interesting shape. And I think for this tutorial is enough. It's a bit overrated. I need to just like switch, cut them into parts and sectors, so you can like take this tutorial easily. And yep, I hope you like this video. And keep that in mind that maybe you don't get the results what you want. So reason is, if you're like using the SDRs and it's not looking good, what I will recommend you, what kind of SDRs you should use. Yeah, there's specific type of SDR you should use, and don't use this like all of them. I will not recommend that thing. Never, 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 ever. So first, use soft light SDRs. Like have a soft light, like you can't actually tell the direction of the light. There is, but it's a really minor, so you can't really notice too much. So like if I switch it, so you can't say that where is the direction of the light is actually, because it's coming from everywhere, like from the back side. Yeah, the radius is coming from this area, but you barely can see, especially from the render view perspective. So this is something you need to keep that in mind. And the second thing, it should be soft, like a flat. It's usually you can see in the real life, and it's a really good moment to just do a lighting. And you might notice in my renders what it does. Like if I go my art station, Ooh. So my renders actually are like in the soft lighting. So this one is a soft lighting, and all of them are soft lighting. You can see. I will give my station link in the description, so you can come and see what I actually do. This one is also a soft lighting SDRs. So you can see that I'm not using any like vibrant colors SDRs, because obviously that makes the harder to make the realistic stuff. Like this one, yeah, still there is some problems. Like you can see the sphere edges, but overall you can't notice too much. And like this one, I just hide it to this, and I didn't composite it, so it looks a little bit weird, but it still looks good. This one is looks like it's totally merged with the background, so yeah, you see that totally flat. The color is flat. This one is flat. Like there is no vibrant colors. My no saturated colors. It will be hard to make it contrasting. If you see like, even other people work, so they use like soft SDRs like this one. I even have some in my references. So they don't use any vibrant colors and like a directional light. They barely do that. So if I go in the cool ones, not that one, the cool one, and if I go in the which one I should explain to you, there will be a yeah that one. So you can see the background of this robot is totally soft. There is no directional light. It's totally like coming from everywhere. That's like cheap a trick, a really nice trick to like dodge the lighting, and keep that in mind. It's really nice, and it looks so cinematic and nice. If you works nicely, look at this one. There is no directional light. It's totally soft, and that's called a soft light. About that one also. Maybe it's a real one, but yeah, I don't care about. Let me just come out from the just yeah, that one. It's not real. So you can see soft light. So you notice that even my one and even other people artists works have the similarity that their works and my work have the similarity that we are using the soft SDR. So what does it mean soft light? Like you see, in the simple you can't explain easily the directional light. Yeah, it's coming like you can see. Oh, it's giving a reflection. It still gives a lot of fun, but it's not like that because it's literally a little bit hard to match the stuff because it's not too much vibrant. You can still like merge with the model. That's how you can do. And also like you need to keep that in mind, the darkness of the area. Like if you're using an HDR, so there may be some dark spots, so you need to like come like match with your model, so it will not looks like a different. So these things are minor things. You need to keep that in mind. If you practice a little bit more, it will become more better. So I completed my promise and I completed my hard surface modeling. If you are bad in hard surface modeling, so I have a full hard surface modeling course. It's not for beginners. You need to still improve your skills. Like at least you need to know how to use Blender, and it's full course on Blender for free on YouTube. I taught how to do topology, how to use booleans, and still you can remain the good topology even using subdue modifier. Like you add a boolean, you apply the subdue modifier, you messed up, and how to solve this. You messed up on somewhere, how to solve the topology. These all things I explained, and I at the end you just end up creating this kind of stuff. And this course is literally I like hours and hours, but after that you will get a really nice result and you will understand the topology, how to do modeling and how to create shapes, even still remaining the nice looking good visuals. So these are the things, and these are the bonus classes I'm making right now. This one is also a bonus class of that course, because on that course I just focus on the modeling, not like texturing and lighting. But this video is a bonus one, so you can understand easily how I did that stuff. So I hope you like this video. Give your opinions about it.